Jim Bob says, follow in my footsteps and see where it takes you. My new walk. Okay, so I've arrived. This is Levisham in the North York Moors. I know when I was driving along I said join me on one of my walks, but it's not one of my walks. I'm meeting up with another YouTuber today. You've seen him before, I'm sure you have. It's Neil from Old Bald Man's Adventures, and he's kindly invited me along to do a walk with him. I don't know if you've been watching his videos, but he started a new project where he's walking. He's got a new book, 50 walks in the North York Moors, and he's going to do a video on each one. And I've been invited to come along today. He's here, look. I'll let him explain in 30 seconds or so what the walk's all about today.
Good morning, everybody, and hi, Steve. Nice
Hi,
to see you again, my friend.
Yeah.
Well, these are 50 walks in the North York Moors. It's from a book. Let me try and get my book out. It's from this book, 50 walks in the North York Moors. Now, I used to say North Yorkshire Moors, but Steve put me right. It's North York Moors.
Oh.
The reason why, I'll tell you what, Steve. The reason why it's called North York Moors is the proximity to York itself, rather than Yorkshire
as a whole.
As a whole. And I didn't realise that, so Steve put me right. So yeah, we're going to be doing this walk number 3 today of a 50 walk series. So I hope you can join us.
Yeah,
see you soon.
It's going to be a good day. Just know it. When this mist clears, of course. Sign. Just walking along, enjoying the mist, talking about the local wildlife. Neil just come up with a great story about when he lived in Cyprus, didn't you, Neil?
Yes, mate.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's a hunting season in Cyprus, and of course they hunt everything. Songbirds, you name it.
Yeah.
You know, they shoot them. And one technique was to put honey on a branch. So when a songbird came down, he stuck to the branch because he couldn't get off because of the honey that was on there, you know.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that mist that eventually cleared and become this beautiful little beauty spot here. You've got tracks going off 3 ways. I believe we're going this way to the whole of Horcum. But first, Neil's got a job to do. He's going to set his drone up and send it up. A nice bit of drone work. Tragedy. Neil's drone just caught the top of that birch tree up there. If it was a few inches higher, it'd been alright. So he's gone up for it now. We climb over this fence and this stream, and it's somewhere up there. Oh, I can see it from here. So that's alright. Another foot higher and they'd have missed that bloody tree, wouldn't it? Oh.
Come on, look. We'll do one more.
Yeah. Why not? Beautiful view. This view's just getting better and better. So that, you good people out there, was the whole of Horcum. Good, wasn't it?
It was.
It was bloody good. A bit steep coming up this last section. But yeah.
I'm huffing and puffing.
Well, we're old, aren't we? You called yourself old. Old man's adventures.
That's true, that's true.
Old bald man's adventures. I shall be calling myself the old tramp in the hills.
That was beautiful, isn't it? What a beautiful, beautiful day.
You can go back this time.
Okay. Well, I'll get an extra.
You say you had roast chicken last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, roast chicken. It's funny you were talking about chicken. I was talking to a bloke at work about chickens. He said, how long will a chicken last in the freezer? I said, probably last about 2 years. He said, that's funny because I put one in last night and that's dead already. Look at this now. What do you reckon this is?
Well,
something to do with farming.
Well, I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of bracken around here. Do you reckon it's putting the bracken down?
I reckon
maybe?
you could be right there, mate.
Wait, I've never seen it.
I've never seen anything like this before at all.
Yeah, it's pretty unusual, isn't
Look,
it?
this bracken looks like it's all been scraped away at. Look.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're right, Steve.
Look at the size of this bloody chain here.
They're bloody big tractors nowadays anyway, aren't they?
Yeah, that's nothing to them, is it?
No.
You pull that with a couple of dogs. A couple of them.
In fact, let's have a go.
We're not dogs.
Just for a second.
Nice little spot, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
A drop spot. Look at that, look. Down here we have the North York Moors railway line. We thought we could hear a train coming just now, or we thought we could hear an ice cream van. But I got a feeling there's a train on its way. It's drone time again. Have you got a name for your drone? Some people have names for them, don't they?
Do they?
Dorothy drone? Dick drone?
Probably Dick, mate. Dickhead drone. Go across. Oops, wrong way. This way. Right. Let's go like this. Go like that. Let's go for a sky shot. Okay, tap. That's us. Come on, this is us. Recognise us. Come on, recognise us.
You must know us by now.
Start waving, Steve. There you go. It's got us. It's got you, mate.
That's it.
You ready then?
Ready.
Upon you. End of part 1.
That's the first part of his life.
Yeah, he must have passed on and having his second part of life now.
And look, he's brought his pet snail with him. There's a snail in there, isn't it?
No.
No?
It's a... It's a stone or something.
No.
Probably a stone put there for
Yeah.
Ian. Well, Ian, good on you, mate. Fantastic spot to be.
Lovely place to be.
Absolutely.
Lovely place to end part 1.
Absolutely.
So we're coming up to Skelton Tower now.
That's a nice little spot, isn't it?
This spot is beautiful, isn't it? Because you've got this view here, the train line.
Well, let's hope a train comes by when we're here.
You're high up, but
Yeah.
the ground behind you looks twice as high.
Good to go, yeah.
We've got to go back that way somewhere, haven't we? I don't know.
You told me something about a vicar here, didn't you, mate?
Yeah, well, this is Skelton Tower, and I believe the vicar's name was Skelton. A couple of hundred years ago. And he used to come up here to write his sermons. Well, that's what he told his parishioners. But really, he'd come up here to get absolutely bladdered. He was a pisshead.
Brilliant.
In other words.
Brilliant. So,
I reckon we'll probably see quite a few empty bottles in here.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look.
Hopefully there's a be 1.5 full, mate.
Yeah, with the top still on it. So it's got a bit of fizz, you know. Yeah, so let's go and have a look here. Okay, so this is the inside of the old tower. Stairs going up here. And there would have been a top floor up there. No fireplace there, look. Need to get the sweeps in. It's blocked by the looks of it. But yeah, so this is Skelton Tower. Is there anything around here? Oh, oh, oh. Nothing much under there. We'll stop for a pit stop here, aren't we, Neil? Something to eat?
Yeah, get something to eat and get a drink down us.
Yeah. I'm not going to do that though.
No, I'm not going to. No trains?
Quick! Shot and look we've got. Pete, the old boy.
Yes. Did you?
I know. No, but nothing's safe for them about, is it? Okay, so we're now coming up to Levisham station itself. Show you around when we get there. Show you what's what. What are you reckon, Neil?
What a beautiful station.
It is a beautiful station.
There's
Look
a lot
at
of
this.
people doing a lot of work today.
Volunteers.
Volunteers, yeah. I was just talking about it. Yeah. Doing a lot of stuff.
But yeah,
Can we walk up onto the platform, or?
if you like.
Yeah, let's have a walk up onto the platform. Yeah. Hello, mate. You're doing a great job, I must admit.
Crikey, is that the time?
It is.
And there's our path. Oh, look what we've found. 49 to 21. How old was he? 73. 73.
Sorry, mate. Yeah, of course.
72.
Yeah, 72. 72.
Should we rest on David's bench for 10 minutes?
I think so.
It's made even better by that white mist. Right, this is an all-time first for me. All-time first, I tell you. I'm getting a farewell from each side here, look. So
Yeah.
see you later. Been alright, hasn't it, Neil?
Been beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. This is an outstanding walk, mate. I really enjoyed it. Weather's been absolutely stunning.
We'll have to do it again
Scenery's
sometime.
been stunning, yeah.
Everything about it was stunning.
Yeah. New area to me as well.
We're now going to go and have a stunning pint.
Absolutely.
But I'll just sign off here and say see you later then. Bye, mate.
Oh, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up.
Oh, all of
Okay.
that. All of that usual shenanigans.
All that shit that you need.
Yeah. And him. It's not just me. I'll leave a description in the bottom and you go and check Neil's channel out.
Thanks, mate.
I'll see you on the next one then.
Take care.
See you later, mate. Bye.